I'm very honored to welcome you as we celebrate this opening. The Martin-Gatton Agricultural Sciences Building stands as the next step in a long tradition of ensuring Kentucky agriculture and the people it serves remain at the forefront of the land-grant mission.
Leaders of this college argue that facilities should never be about privilege. They should always be about purpose. They understood that without spaces designed to bring together our scholars and students, opportunity would be lost and progress would be stagnated.
This building will ensure that students have the tools that they need to become future leaders, to build in their communities, and continuing to do the work to lead Kentucky.
And what I love most about this building is that it reflects the spirit of Kentucky itself. It honors our agricultural roots while embracing our future. It connects learning with community, and it brings together science, leadership, stewardship, and service under one roof.
I've got 4 classes in the building this semester, and the cafe, the seating, the classroom, the large open windows. There's so many things to look forward to.
This building is more than brick and mortar. It represents opportunity for first-generation college students, opportunity for young people, for rural communities who want to come back home, strengthen their family farms and local economies, opportunity for research that helps producers remain competitive and sustainable in a rapidly changing world. I especially appreciate the connection this facility creates between teaching, research, and extension. Those 3 missions are what make Kentucky's land-grant system so valuable.
The building's name honors the parents of Carol Martin, Bill Gatton, Edith Martin, and Harry W. Gatton Sr., his parents, whose values helped shape his life and his extraordinary generosity to this university.
This building will be a bridge for many students and professors and others that will bless their lives. And Mr. Gatton will be very, very, very happy with that.
The work begins inside this building here, but it will not remain inside this building. It never should. It must move across counties, industries, communities, and the homes throughout Kentucky. That is what a land-grant university does. It's what we must do, and we do it best in partnership.
To everyone who helped make this building possible, thank you.